Alright, picture this. I'm cruising down a winding road, surrounded by the luscious green forest you can imagine. The sunlight is peeking through the leaves and every corner feels like a hidden adventure. I'm on my way to Mawseiñtyllang and honestly, I have no idea what magic awaits. Suddenly, out of nowhere, I spot this gem, Mawseiñtyllang Eco Resort. It's tucked right into the greenery, practically begging me to stop. And let me tell you, I'm so glad I did. The first thing that hits me? The pool. This isn't just any pool. It's crystal clear, surrounded by nature, and basically calling my name. I dive in, and the cool water against the forest backdrop just hits different. After swimming, hunger strikes. Luckily, the resort's restaurant knows what's up. I order a spread of local dishes. Think fresh veggies, spicy meats, and flavors that light up your taste buds. Every bite is an adventure on its own. As I sit back, full and happy, I can't help but soak in the peaceful vibe. It's more than just a pit stop. It's a little slice of paradise right off the road. So if you ever find yourself wandering through these green hills, do yourself a favor and pull over at Mawseiñtyllang Eco Resort. Swim, eat, relax. Trust me, you'll remember it long after the trip is over.